Hello. Today we're going to look at our virtual office and how you get into the virtual office and then the basic functionality of the virtual office. So right here is where you're going to type your name, and after you put your name on and click enter room, you're going to be allowed to come into the room. And once you're in the room, this is what the room is going to actually look like. So we're going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see what the room actually looks like. So within this room, here you will find a support queue. That's the number of students who are ahead of you in line waiting to be helped. And then over here is the staff members and what their status is. So if they're in the office, they will be listed here, and the teachers who are out of the office will also be listed right here on this main page. So you'll know who will be there to help you. And then right here in this box, this is a text box, which that's where you will be greeted, and you'll be able to type in this box. Over here on the top right-hand side is a list of the teachers in the virtual office, and they can take you into breakout rooms. And within a breakout room, they can work with you one-on-one. And then here on the bottom right-hand side is a place where we usually place links so you can easily get to our student information system known as Genius and things of that nature. So hopefully this is a quick synopsis that will help you get used to the look and feel of our virtual office.